Welcome to the Support Hub training video. In this video, we will explore signing into the Support Hub and submitting a ticket for assistance. All you need to do is open your web browser and in the address bar type dash, that's dash.tndagc.org. Press enter on your keyboard. In the username field, type your computer username. It's usually your first initial, middle initial, and last name. I'm going to select Tech Training. Next box is the password field. Type your computer password and make sure that the TNDAGC domain is selected. Click the login button. Takes us to the home page. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a request catalog. This area is for the most popular incidents, issues that occur throughout the state and the computers that access our network. At the top, you'll see 365. This refers to Microsoft 365. Any of the request templates that are here within this catalog, this is a quick area where if you see an issue that you are experiencing, all you need to do is locate it and click on that event, which will cut out several steps, preventing you from having to create a new request. But with 365, there are application issues, authenticator app, the multi-factor authentication problems, the portal. Next we have hardware, such as a desktop printer issue, equipment, maybe your PC will not boot, hardware issues, printer installation, internet. You can see the additional templates that are here. Let's say that your issue is not listed and you need to submit a completely new request. Click on the new request link. Your information should be auto-completed, meaning you will not have to type in your account information, email address, telephone number, etc. It should all be listed right within this contact area. All you need to do is go down to the system tag field and type in the device that you're having the issue with and the state issued tag number. Should have a QR code associated with the tag number. In this case, I'm going to use DA01234. Next is the subject. This will just be a generic issue. The description area will be where you want to type in the most detailed information. In the subject area, I'm going to call this application error. We'll tab down. We want to go to the description field. This is where you will want to type as much detailed information as possible. So I am going to state and one beneficial thing that will help expedite your ticket, should it be additional information, things that you can transfer over to our technicians so that they can evaluate it and see like a screenshot of the issue that you're running into, will be to use the snip and sketch tool. At the bottom left hand corner in the type here to search box, simply type snip, and the two applications that best fit that, you have the snip and sketch and snipping tool. Click for the snip and sketch application. Then in the upper left hand corner, click the new button. This will be where on screen, if you have an error based on the application, whatever the case may be, issue that you're experiencing is, you'll be able to take a screenshot. So I'm going to click new. I'm going to click and drag. We'll just say this window. Say this was the error that we are experiencing. Once I release the mouse button, you see it took a screenshot of what was on the screen. All you need to do is click the Save As button, save this screenshot to the folder on your computer. After you have done that, the bottom left-hand corner, you have the Attach File button. Click the Attach File button, then click the Choose File button. Browse to locate that image that you have just saved to your computer's hard drive. Then click Attach File. After you've done that, everything should match up here on site. Looks like all details and information, we are as thorough as possible. Click the Add Request button. If a suggestion is available or suggested to you, you may click the View Suggestions button just to see if maybe this suggestion will help to resolve your issue. You could click on this should that be the issue that you are experiencing. It is not ours, so we'll go ahead and click the Add Request button. I will submit the ticket and assign that to your account and also to a technician's account. Right here you can see the technician is Matthew, and this will be the area as you're signed into the portal. You'll be able to reply back and forth, communicating with the technician. You also have the ability to live chat with that technician as long as they are currently signed into the Support Hub portal. At the bottom right hand corner of the portal, you'll have the live chat button. If you click that, then you'll see the existing requests that are assigned to your account. If you click on this actual ticket number and the actual ticket, you'll see right here this chat box. This allows you to chat instantly and live with the assigned technician. Let's go ahead and say hi. I am checking the status of my ticket. Please advise. Thank you. Once you send that off, that chat message will go directly to the technician. If they are signed into the portal, they'll be able to chat with you live one-on-one. Go ahead, close that window out, and we will minimize the chat. If we click on the Back to List View button, you'll see all tickets that are currently under your account, all ones that you have open. You also have the drop down here where you can view other tickets as well. You can also see closed requests, completed requests, pending, missed chat requests, all things listed here you'll have access to. That gets us to the end of this training video. Hope the information in the video has helped you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.